In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a matter list in Clio Manage. To get started, log into your Clio Manage account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Matters. This will take you to your full matters list, where you can view all of the matters currently available in your account. Before exporting, take a moment to decide whether you want to export everything or only a specific set of matters. If you only need certain records, you can apply filters or use the search tools available on the Matters page. This is especially helpful if you want to narrow the list by status, client, responsible attorney, or any other criteria available in your account. Setting this up first can save you time later and help keep your export clean and relevant. Once your list looks the way you want it, click the Export button from the Matters list view. Depending on your Clio Manage setup, you may be asked to choose an export format. If that prompt appears, select the format that works best for you, such as CSV or Excel. In general, CSV is useful for importing into other systems or doing simple spreadsheet work, while Excel may be more convenient if you want formatting and easier sorting right away. If Clio gives you the option to choose which fields or columns to include, go ahead and select the information you want in the export. For example, you may want to include matter names, clients, statuses, open dates, or other key details. Choosing only the fields you need can make the file easier to read and more useful for reporting or sharing internally. After that, review and confirm your export settings. This is a good time to quickly double-check the format, filters, and selected columns so the final file matches what you expect. Once everything looks correct, click Export or Download to generate the file. When the download is complete, open the file and review your exported matter list. Make sure the information appears correctly, that the right matters are included, and that the columns match what you selected. If something doesn't look right, you can simply return to the Matters page, adjust your filters or export settings, and run the export again. That's all there is to it. Exporting a matter list in Clio Manage is a simple process once you know where to look, and it can be a great way to organize data, create reports, or share information with your team. Thanks for watching.